So guys, first come to gigabyte.com, which is officially website. After that you can see here the search icon, so just click it. After that you enter your model number of your motherboard, Z890 AORUS Elite Wi-Fi 7 and nice, then hit enter. Then guys, click to product. Click to here title. Then click to support. Then try OS, select your operating system, which is you using Windows 10 and 11, because I am using Windows 11. LAN driver, just click to download. LAN driver download, then double click to for install. Then yes. So guys, it is close and done and close. VGA, just click to download. Okay, I already downloaded. You can see graphic. Otherwise you can see, okay, no worry, download latest one VGA driver and click to download. After that it start automatically, you can see here. So graphic VGA driver is downloaded, just single click to double click to setup. Then click to yes. Now this is extracting